Hello, welcome to this recipe for delicious and tender baby back ribs cooked in the air fryer. These ribs are seasoned with a flavorful spice rub and finished with a sweet and sticky homemade barbecue sauce that will have your taste buds singing. To make the spice rub in a small mixing bowl, add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of dried rosemary, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give the spices a quick whisk to combine. For this recipe, we are using 3 pounds of pork back ribs. Use paper towels to dry most of the moisture. Let's prep the ribs. The first step is to remove the membrane from the back of the ribs. This is a thin layer of connective tissue that can make the ribs tough if not removed. Simply slide a knife under the membrane and gently pull it off, just like so. Then apply 1 tablespoon of avocado oil all over the ribs. If you don't have avocado oil, canola oil will do. Apply the oil by massaging the ribs on both sides. Then sprinkle the spice rub all over the ribs on both sides. Use all of the rub as we want these ribs to be full of flavor. This will give the ribs a delicious flavor and help create a crispy crust when cooked in the air fryer. Cut the rack of pork ribs into 2 to 3 sections so they fit easily in your air fryer basket. This will ensure that the ribs cook evenly. Now set your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and preheat for 3 minutes. Set the cooking time to 25 minutes. Once the air fryer basket has been preheated, place the ribs in the basket with the meat side down. Cook for 15 minutes, then flip the ribs and cook for an additional 10 minutes. While the ribs are cooking, let's make the barbecue sauce. In a saucepan, combine half a cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Oh, and one more thing. For the written recipe, please visit kelvinskitchen.com and salt and pepper to taste. Heat over medium-low heat until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. And after a couple of minutes, the barbecue sauce is ready. Set it aside. And after 15 minutes, remove the air fryer basket out and flip them over. Continue air frying for another 10 minutes, and after 25 minutes, this is what they would look like. If you don't like barbecue sauce, you may eat them as they are, or use whatever sauce you prefer. The internal temperature of cooked pork should be 145 degrees Fahrenheit. When the ribs are finished cooking, remove the basket from the air fryer and brush the ribs generously with the barbecue sauce on all sides. Place the basket back in the air fryer and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or until the sauce has set and darkened slightly. Finally, remove the ribs from the basket and let them rest for 5 minutes before serving. If you give this recipe a try, please let me know in the comments down below. Yo, check out this B-roll. Ooh. There you guys have it, baby back ribs in the air fryer in only 30 minutes. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Happy air frying. See you later. Bye. Yeah.